This is a gem spec puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in a minute. The goal of this puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame. The gem spec was designed by Frederick Boucher and made by Nothing Yet Designs. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And if you like the gem spec puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. So how to solve the puzzle? As you can see, there are 4 parts. They each made from 2 gemstones and they're connected together in many different ways. And the frame, it has 3 layers of acrylic, and there is opening between 2 top and bottom layer of acrylic, but there are like huge openings here. You can't use them to put parts inside since they won't fit. You can use only this opening right here on top to put parts inside. And it will be quite a challenge to find the correct solution since you have to kind of imagine where the parts will go and then you can fit them inside. So I will start solving the puzzle by putting this piece right here. It fits here quite well. Then this piece goes inside and you have to rearrange it a little bit so that you can put it right here and they sit nicely inside the frame, as you can see. Now we drop this piece down and it goes all the way here, and there is 3. And now the last one, you put it right here on top, and that's how you fit all 4 parts inside the frame. If you like the gem spec and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.